Hi guys, what is the difference between whose and whose? Here, whose is the short form of who and his. Whose is the short form of who and is. So, let's start. Dash going to the party tonight. Whose? Do you know dash book in this? So, whose? Dash car is parked outside. Car parked. So whose car? Next, this is your example. Let me answer in the comment. Do you like this video? Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye bye.